D.
Wow. Say that 3 times fast.
On a D12 motor. Let's see what happens. Put in the launch key. Take the other one out. We're ready to fly on 7 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
Fresh
just
starter.
check again.
Not today.
We do have continuity, but let's try that one more time. On 7 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Me thinks
Negative. We'll have to come back to that
one. That's not happening.
Over to 8. Joanne's Firehawk on an A3. This should be a cool flight. Small rocket.
It's going to disappear.
Break-sized engine. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dope. Oh, wait. I see the smoke trail.
And people were recommending she put a G in there. But the A was plenty.
Down on a streamer. Almost down.
Oh, there it is.
Touchdown.
Okay.